Passing through town, decided to take a look in H&M and these items caught my eye. I love this dress. I hope you do as well. These earrings are beautiful. And so are those shoes. I've got a million earrings, but another one won't hurt. My mate's 92, she'd love that outfit. Fuck off. I love that dress. That one's a bit young for me, but I'll try. Love a skirt. I rate this outfit a 10. The handbag's my favourite. Calling all the skinny bitches. Announcement. Some fucking clothes in H&M for you all. This one confuses me. I don't know if it's for women or men. I hope you enjoyed my haul.